welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning, guys, and I'm going to a friend's wedding. So you guys, it's been long since I've done like good makeup. Like you can see my face, oi, in a katu hivi. So I want to be done makeup, and yours truly by my cousin Serena Lamaz. You guys, you can check her on YouTube as well, or Instagram, or if you need her services, you guys, please make sure you just hit her up. Her prices are affordable. So you guys, I'll just link everything in my description box as well in here, somewhere here, or maybe here. Yeah. So let us just start this. She's setting up everything, and this is everything that we're going to use. The colors are here, different shades, so it depends on how your skin type is, and she has everything.
All this time I've wondered how I managed to live most of my life sleeping at night.
So she started with my eyebrows, and at this point we were just talking. We had missed each other, just catching up, and that's why we are just talking too much. You can see that in the video, but you can please monetize her, guys.
Without you by my side, and all this time I've wondered, how did I stop my days from long before this? Now I can't just walk out the door without feeling your kiss. And I don't know how else to say it. Guess I never got this far before. And I don't know how else to say it. So let me put it this way. I never thought all the love songs would start coming true. I never knew how to write them till the day I met you. I never learned how to dance, but I'm moving to the groove. And it's thanks to you, 'cause you make me feel brand new. I can't seem to remember when exactly it started.
I'm always sensitive when I'm applied makeup, mostly the eyes. I start crying. I don't know, like when the makeup is on my face, I feel something different, and then I start feeling like crying. Guys, you can tell me in the comment section if you're one of these people like me. I have hard time when it comes to making myself look good, guys.
Down and down the aisles till I get to see your face. So hard to be apart, 'cause all this time I've wanted was just someone to hold and to come home to, and to talk about my day. All this time I wanted you. It's been you all this time. And I don't know how else to say it. Do I have to spell it out for you? I don't know how.
And then we were just talking to the girls because we are almost running late for. So we were trying to see where everyone is and see how we can meet up.
Else to say it. So let me put it this way. I never thought all the love songs would start coming true. I never knew how to write them till the day I met you. I never learned how to dance, but I'm moving to the groove. And it's thanks to you, 'cause you made.
Look at the final. Okay, I'm loving the eyes, you guys. Oh, so this is her work, you guys. Rate me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about her work. Please give her all your monies. So I just want to change the outfit, and yeah. I look so good. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I think she has to introduce herself now. Yes, she has to introduce herself.
A few moments later.
Guys, I wanted her to introduce herself. She tells us what she does. And please, guys, please make sure you even check her out on YouTube. Subscribe
You only mean a fax there,
to her. No, subscribe to her, and then please check her out on Instagram as well. So, Serena, the floor is yours.
Hello, hi. I hope you're liking the outcome, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share to her channel. And I also have my own channel, Serena Lamas, in all my social media handle. Follow me on Instagram, Serena_Lamas. Yes.
Yeah, guys, check her out. Look how cute she is, you guys.
Sina makeup on her.
No, she's nice.
Yeah,
She's
so
so
makeup.
nice.
And this is a makeup artist.
Yeah,
face.
our makeup parties of the day, yeah, of the family, you guys. Where? No, ulikuwa umeweka
Lakini
katikati.
inakaa vizuri. Eh.
Mimi najua naiona imepoint hivi.
Iko sawa.
Oh.
I think.
The kind of girl that you get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that
Hey, we are here with our makeup artist of the bride. Jojo's makeup world.
Here I am.
Mnawaona?
Finally. The bride looks super beautiful.
I'm just waiting to see her.
Hey.
Like, wow.
Even me, I'm surprised.
Eh,
As in, I've never
really?
seen her like that.
Oh, yeah,
she's
because
not
she's
a
not
makeup
used to,
a person. But today, she just looks very elegant. Yani, I'm happy
Hey,
that she's happy.
for all your weddings, birthday shoots, check
Yep.
her out, you guys. Your
Kabisa.
bridal, sijui baby showers and all that things, you know, glam.
Glam. Anything glam.
Anything glam, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, we are here looking cute. The theme is gold, maybe blue, white. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, I've not even worn any of that, but we are still going to flow. Yeah.
someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself a
So guys, I couldn't show you the whole videos because I realized we didn't put these videos on horizontal mode. So yeah, we really enjoyed, and you can see Johnny, this is Johnny with the Shiwan. She's the one who got the flower, and she was really excited. We are waiting for her now. It's her turn. Yes. And congratulations to the newlyweds. Congratulations, Ruth, and may you have a wonderful and a blessed marriage.
Yes, very special. Welcome. Kuna hiyo ngoma yao. Hao ni TV. Very special. Okay.
I should be downtown whipping to you instead. I'm here in my room, but I should be with you. And it's hard to keep my cool. Girl, stop running from the truth, 'cause I know you know it too. Yeah, that's right. Girl, I know you know it too. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I know you know it too. That's right. I should be with you, baby. I should be with you, baby. I should be with you, baby. I should be with you. Yeah, that's right. I should be on the road, no idea where I'm going. Send location and I'm gone. Got no storage on my phone. Got me out here to leave these as I usually picture you not going. Jones, Indiana Jones, you try my soul. You my chaperone, you my chaperone. You drive me off, shit, you drive me off. Drive me off the cliff, you drive me insane. Drive me insane. Drive me insane. It's out of my hands, it's out of my hands. Told myself enough for the game, but fuck it again.
8 hours later.
So, hi guys, I'm back in the house. Yeah, everything has been so fun. We enjoyed the wedding. It was full of love, happiness, and all those things. So yeah, it's I'm really tired. It's a lot. It's 12 no, yeah, it's already almost 12 a.m. How am I saying 12 p.m.? Yeah, so what I've loved about it is that my makeup is still intact. As you can see, my makeup is still intact. Imagine the whole day. My lips as well, not bad. So how cute, you guys, how cute is this? I'm looking so nice. I even don't feel like look at the eyes first. I don't feel like removing it because of how cute I am. Back to factory settings. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to close this video here because everything was so okay. We enjoyed, we ate the cake, like wow on wow. Anyway guys, I think I'll not continue here because I need to shower. I need to remove this makeup. Yeah, I think by the time I'm doing that, I'll not be able to vlog. Yeah, but hi, ciao, bye. Hey guys, today is another day and I just wanted to like I'm so excited because I'm opening the gift that I did. Like there's a vlog I was telling you I was going to look for my early birthday gift that I was trying to get for myself. So I bought it, guys. I bought the stuff that I really needed, but to my shock, I've never even opened it. It's been a month, so even like I'm not serious because I didn't even come to the house and look at as if it's working or not. It's been a month, so I even don't know in case maybe something is happening to it. How will I even? Sasa surely because I've never like opened it, so I want us to unbox together and then maybe I'll give you a review later because you can't give a review on a day one. So yeah, we'll just use it today and see how it works. So yeah, here it is. Ta-da! Ta-da! Anyway guys, this is my newest baby in the house. So I used to like yeah, she's my newest baby. And guys, I went with Ramtons. All my electronics in this house are Ramtons, guys. But I didn't want to get a Ramtons. I was getting is it Hot Point or One? No. It was another name. So I didn't get what I was looking for. And then the lady who was there really convinced me to getting this. And I was like, another day. Because it was not the first time I showed you guys how I went, and what I found was like there was nothing in stock. Then we went back again the second time, and I didn't find like the one that was there also. I think like a customer had like returned it back, so it wasn't working. I was like, kwani kitu itaki nunuliwe? So it convinced me to this now Ramtons, which is not bad, but I didn't want to buy it. But it's okay as long as I have it. Yeah, so I just thought when I go back home with the money again, I think I'll use it for another thing, and that's what you want to do. So yeah, so a month later, here I am. Let us just open this thing. It's funny how I. So my warranty is also here, the payment and everything. Let's see what's happening outside. It's ready. So yeah, so this is our pressure cooker, guys. So This is how it comes. This is the pressure cooker itself. This is the what will I call it? Is it a sufuria or a plate? Yeah, the potted plate that you put on top, and then it has this. I think this one is for when you're steaming things or something. I don't know what is it for. Ooh, anyway. So yeah, and then
Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
this is I know this one you just have to use for the steam. This one is for is it a measuring cup? So na measure nini kitu ndogo. I don't know this one is for what. That's what I'm saying. This one I really need I need to look for a manual. I bought Ramtons one because I have more items on Ramtons and I didn't have like any other choice. And then the good thing with this one, okay, it's nothing much. It all has this. I don't know if all of them are working in terms of how they are written. So we'll do this when we are cooking each and every time. I'll be showing you. And then one thing about it, it's 60 liters, so that's a big. It's a big pot. At least it can hold a family. And what else was I looking for? So I wanted the stainless steel one. The pot that is stainless steel, but that lady told me this coated one is still okay. I don't know. I was really skeptical on this. So if you're using this, tell me how is it on your side? If it's something that will disappoint me, I don't know. Like I really need to know as early as now. And if you have a stainless steel as well, you can tell me how it's working for you. So that is what the target was just. There's nothing much about these things. Yeah. You just measure your liters and just a brand that you can pick. So I think, guys, that is exactly how the Ramtom's electric pressure cooker is, and I'll show you more in the next video when we try to cook with it, because right now I'm not even conversant with it as well. Maybe in the next video we'll talk more about it. Just grateful that I managed to buy this birthday gift as early as now, and thank you so much for being here.